I withhold judgment until I hear both sides. I am withholding the payment until the work is done. I have withheld my consent for now. I have been withholding the news for days. I withheld the truth to protect her. I was withholding my opinion during the meeting. I had withheld the details before the report was ready. I had been withholding rent for months before the repairs. I will withhold comment until the trial ends. I will be withholding the results until Friday. By tomorrow, I will have withheld the funds long enough. By then, I will have been withholding the file for a week.